It was a warm and sunny day when I cut the foam, but then the next day, snow came. And for the past 2 weeks, the temperature been below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and that slowed down my progress. This is my 5th pontoon boat, and I hope this would be the boat I'm going to keep. Therefore, I use a brand new copper sheet to make the hinge. I cut a rectangular sheet of copper and use it to wrap around 2 sections of the pontoons. I used the gap on the floor of my garage to make the fold line. This fold line is at the center of the rectangular copper sheet, and it is the living hinge. Next step is to seal all these channels so water cannot get in. At the upper right hand corner, there's a link to a video which will show you in details how this is being done. I wrapped the front and the back sections of the pontoons together with the coroplast, and then I secured them using 2 lashings. The whole assembly seems to be very solid, especially the hinge. I can fold and unfold the pontoons easily. In addition to creating a living hinge, the coroplast also protected the surface of the foam, where I usually step on those areas. I bundled all 4 sections together and it weighs about 15 pounds. My next step is to remove the black lashings and then use glue and zip ties to secure the coroplast living hinge onto the pontoons. Then I will cover the exposed foam with Gorilla Tape. I targeted the assembly time of this boat to be under 4 minutes. Therefore, the big challenge is in creating a frame at the middle that can easily bind the pontoons together. I hope I will be able to show you how I do that in my next video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe and support my channel also. Appreciate that. This is where I will be sitting. I will create an integrated seat to reduce the overall weight of the boat. I will also create a mount for the pedal drive and add a sail to this boat later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified for my next upload. Bye bye.